Hey credit cousins, do you have a collection for more than 1 cent on your credit report? Keep watching to learn one of the first few steps you as a consumer has access to and why you should do this now. When you owe a debt, there is a collection company that is hired by the original creditor to collect the debt for pennies on the dollar from you. After your debt is sold from the original creditor, the collection company will reach out to you to collect the unpaid debt for the original amount. As a consumer, it is important to learn consumer law because collections can be removed and unpaid if your consumer law is practiced correctly against the debt collectors. So, in this video, I will share some of the first steps you can take with just a Google search to learn your next steps to removal of collections. You can look up each collection agency license information to see if they are licensed to even collect debt in your state, and their expiration date will be what we will be looking at, and if they have a license. You can research by searching online on your Secretary of State website and or contacting your state attorney general with a collection agency name to find their license information. For example, you can find their information that looks something like this. This is a popular collection agency that is named Portfolio Recover, and let's just say you're located in Texas. Well, you can find their license on the website, Texas Secretary website, just by searching their name. And here you'll see that they have been collecting debt in Texas since October 12th of 1997. But over time, there have been some open gaps of years where they were not licensed to collect debt. If this company still decides to send letters and calls to consumers to collect debt during those open gaps of expiration of their license being active, they are in violation. If the license date is expired during the time of collecting debt, they are not legally able to collect debt from you with an expired license. It's a violation and not legally able to collect debt at all, and this could be disputed for removal with your due diligence. Again, it is a violation of the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act for a debt collector to collect debt from you if it knows that their license is expired, if the state requires it in order to collect debt. Also, if you made it this far, another good tip to catch a collection agency in its own traps, you can remove a debt by just learning that each state has a law referred to as a statute of limitations that spells out the time period during which a creditor or a collector may sue borrowers to collect debt. In most states, they run between 4 and 6 years after the last payment was made on the debt. It is a violation of Fair Debt Collection Practice Act for a debt collector to sue you or threaten to sue you if they know that the statute of limitation has passed. Collection companies has to work under consumer law as well. If you are unaware of your laws, these collections can take advantage of you. Seriously. In the description below, I will add my collection removal playlist and charge off and collection removal guide for your reference. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts down below, credit cousins, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, and collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.